So I woke up this morning and this happened. What's going on, BSG? So today, woke up this morning about 4:30, get ready to go to work, and come up to my truck and I opened the door and I went to close it back, and this is what happened. Doesn't want to work. So I had to go buy a new latch, which is this piece right here, along with a new cable. And this is kind of surprising to me because I didn't even know anything was wrong with this door or anything like that. But as you can see here, the cable is like that, and a lock. It's like that. Won't do nothing. Look at that. Won't do a thing. And I've tried. We have nothing going on here, so I got a new cable and a latch. So let's go through this process here. So y'all got to bear with me because I haven't did this before. So we got 3 bolts here, 3 screws here holding this latch. We took off the door handle because it's all connected to this latch. The only way to get this latch out of here and get everything off of it is that I have to take the door handle off first. So door handle got, as a matter of fact, I took all this off, which you guys already know. It's a 10 millimeter here, 10 here, 10 here, and I believe that's it. 3 10s that I have. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh no, change that, I'm sorry. Should be 4. Here, 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 and here. Okay? So we got that squared away. We need to take this door handle here off. The door handle got 2 screws in it, I believe. And if you can see in here, we got 1. Can you see in there? Hold on. Let me see if I got a light. Do I got a light? I got a light in here. All right. Let me get y'all some light on the subject. All right. So, should be able to see it now. We got 1 right there. Let's see. Let me show it to you. You got 1 right there. And we got another one that's right there. Hoping you can see that real good there. Should be able to see it. Anyway, we got 1 there. It's right there. So, now, in order to get to these, I can get straight to that one. That's a 10 millimeter. Then I got to go through one of these holes, one of these here. I'm gonna take them out anyway, both of them out. And I got to pull this out too, because once we get this thing out, it's gonna drop down in there. As you can see, like I said, I already got the door off, the door pad off and everything. So just a couple of steps you guys didn't see. So let's get this here off. All right, guys. So let's see here. So I got that 1 screw out on this side, which you see I'm tapping on it, that hole right there. This next one here, because I went through this right here, I didn't go through that one. That hole there is for taking out the guide rail for the window. So I'm over here, I'm gonna take out this one right here, and we're gonna stick this in there like that. Now, I kind of need to go over here, as we can see here. Hold on, let me put this down. As we see here, we're loose. Like we might have one more thing there to deal with, which I don't see in here. See this, another guide rail here. And I don't see nothing else. Lord knows, we hope ain't nothing behind it. Look like it might be something behind there, but you see it right there? That piece right there that right there, and the other black one there. Yeah, I hope y'all can see that. Yeah, you can see it. Let me see, move this way here. You see those two black pieces right there? 1, 2, those things right there we need to get out. Well, hopefully it'll pop out with the handle. So, oh, drop my screw. My screw is down there. So let me grab that screw. And let me see if I can give it a little yank on this handle. There we go. There is something else holding here. Come on, you piece of crabbity crap. Oh, I forgot. It's a twist. You got to twist it out. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Now, as you can see, we got two things holding here. We got a piece there, and we got that there. So now we got to get these out. Which one do I see? So we got it off. That just slides right off. So we got that hook right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna push that in like that. I'm gonna push that one in. And then we're gonna take these three off. Let me see if I can sit you guys right here. See if y'all can get see what's going on. If I can sit y'all right there. Get a good look at the thing here. Make sure you're not crooked there a little bit. There. So I'm gonna stick my hand in here and hold it so that this thing don't drop to the bottom. There, so, okay. Now, it's staying still. So our next thing we gotta do here is, so, the only thing I see that is actually holding it is this here piece right here is holding it up. Cause that's the lock. And then it'll drop down here. We got this cable here, and we have a plug that's up there. If you can see it, you should be able to see it. We got a plug right there. So, on that side, we got a plug up in there. So, we're gonna take that stuff out of there, and then I'm gonna show you what the lock looks like. As you look at this switch here, you guys can see it. Look at this switch right here. You guys take a screwdriver inside there and pop it up. And then let me see if I can sit y'all down here real quick so y'all can see this. I'm hoping I can't. No, I can't do that. It won't work. But anyway, gonna stick a screwdriver in there, pop that up, and then when I pull it out of there, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks. So guys, so we got it out. So as you can see, got 4 rods. Well, you got 3 rods and a cable. So while it's sitting like this, I am going to put this stuff back together just the way that piece is, the way it is. So let's see here. See how this is open? Well, this one here is closed and it don't want to open up but nothing. So come on now, stop it. Let's see here. Let me look at this again. Okay, yeah, we're gonna be good. So now this piece here is a little tricky how to open it. So you gotta pull that back. It's a tab on there, and this thing was sitting about right there like that. Well, we can adjust it later. So we're gonna put this in here like this. Close that. That is closed. Okay. And this thing here is dirty, so I don't know what. Okay, so with the next one here is this the rod for the lock. We're gonna work it out a little bit, turn it, bring it out, stick it in like that, then do a little turn. There we go. All right, so then this last one, which I can't, oh, this is also the hook for the door handle. So we'll go like that, turn it out. Let me push it back, make sure I'm going the right way. Okay, so the hook has got to be facing this way. You want to put it back just the same way it was. So, stick it like this. There we go. Now, this last one is the cable, which I'm not going to bother with this because it's not even retracting. It's not doing nothing, so. And I'm trying to see if this thing will open. Nope. It's not doing nothing, so grab my cable. Okay, so we're going to push that in there, raise it up, hook it on there, and then push that down in there, just like that. And there we go. Nice smooth operation. So let me take y'all over here and show y'all this locking mechanism, this switch. So this right here is what I was saying about this switch. This here is a lock, and when you pull it up, it only comes up so far, but you have to make sure you pull it all the way up like I have it, and the connector will come right out. If you don't do that, then the connector will stay in. This is a lock, so you got to pull it all the way out. So the way they got it is they got it through here like this, so that it's out of the way of the window. All right, so got y'all set up on my little ladder deal there. So let me show y'all this. So this right here is gonna hook into this one. It's gonna be like that. This one gonna hook into this one. This one is gonna hook into this one. So I think I'm gonna do this one first. Might be a little bit easier if I was to give me a hand. To let the if I was to lock it. I'm sorry, put the screws in here to make it stationary, but I didn't do that. So there we go. So y'all see that right there? That's the way that goes. So now we gotta get this back in here, do a little niggling around. Bam, we in business. So let me get the screws in, and then I'll bring that back when we over here on the side, making this permanent over here. Shall I say, when we're screwing it down. These are the screws, these little ones that goes in that door handle. Now, they're 10 millimeter. So I'm in hopes that we can get that in there. Hold on. So what I did was pull it up there. I put some silicone in there. Get that screw to stand up, stay in there. Shouldn't hurt it. Shouldn't hurt it at all. we got that there. So, got our 3 torque tips to put in here. I know I said screws earlier, but they're torque tips. I say torque screws, whatever you want to call it. All right, let's give it a try. Yay! Man, you can't beat that. You can't beat that. Shaking a stick. Now, we are kind of over. This project is really done, but I'm gonna show y'all a little thing about it. We need to take this back off because I put it on there to work the window. And I don't know if you guys know, but as you look at it, because this thing is not hard. If you can see it, they're color coded. And your window, your switch will have different plugs on it pertaining to whatever I guess mods you have, I would say, or what will work the window. All right, guys, so I got it back on. As you can see, we got a screw there, but I don't have a screw right there. I'm gonna have a screw right here. I have one here and one there. All right, and yes, sir. Since I got this out, I'm gonna put some silicone on that too to make that weather tight. All right, y'all. Yeah, my video was kind of choppy, but just try to do it real quick. I've been up since 4:30 this morning, and took me a minute to get this one. I had to hunt this piece down. Dealer couldn't get it till a few days from now, so in a few days it's gonna be into the new year. Then I won't have it till the following week, but I got to go to work tomorrow as well, and I didn't want to use nobody's car. I wanted mine to be working. So $250 later, we're back together. So, didn't know how to do this, you know, but I thought I'd give it a try because I figured if my parts cost $250, the dealer doing it, that's another $400 to $500 on something that didn't even actually take that long to do. I've been doing this like maybe an hour, maybe, and yeah, it's back together and it's working. So, with all that being said, like, comment, subscribe. Don't cost you nothing to subscribe. It's just a push of a button. And for the 2022, let's hit our 1,000, man. We need to hit our 1,000 2022. All right. So appreciate y'all watching, and we're gonna get back at y'all. Peace.